Hello Nigerians, I come to you in peace. My name is Igwe Aguna, popularly known as Igwe Mkpume or Mkpume Azaoku, Enugwu. Please, what is happening in Nigeria today is very, very unfortunate, unexpected, and is completely unacceptable by any reasonable Nigerian. The peaceful demonstration is over. We have sent a general and unanimous message to the government, and I'm sure they heard us loud and clear, and they're going to do something about it sooner than later. Not even sooner or later, sooner than later. That is to do something in the immediate and address all the points that have been tabled out. What we're witnessing now, the looting, burning down of government building, private building, businesses, banks, etc., is not in the agenda. It's not part of the peaceful demonstration. These are touts, hoodlums, armed robbers, and I call on the government to rise up to it. You can't tell me that you don't know how to stop such things. The government has the power to stop anybody that's in the street now, burning down a fellow man's business, looting a fellow man's property. It is not acceptable, please. Let it stop. We have done the peaceful demonstration. We have made our point. They had our point, and we're waiting for them to react, to put things in order. If at the end of the day, nothing is done about it, yeah, we have a way of doing it again, but not this burning and looting, please. You should stop. Advise your friends, your children, whoever that is doing this, or whoever is behind it, should stop in the immediate. Thank you very much.